Hello guys, have you wondered how apps, games, and so many other APIs are made? Today we're gonna learn the best and the easiest coding language. Okay, I'm gonna promise that through this video of 10 to maximum 15 to 20 minutes, I'm gonna just make your basics awesome. Through this video, you're gonna never forget about your basics. Okay, mainly for any coding language, the basics are main. So we'll start. Print means we are saying the computer to what we have written here. Like we have written welcome here, right? In between the brackets and the first space. So we are telling the computer to print this in its page. Means this is the okay. I'm using normal online compiler which we can find in okay Google. I'm saying the computer to print this here. If I just see, if I run, it will be printed here. Okay, this is the function of the print. Print doesn't do anything, but what we have written here, print takes this into here. Okay, done. Next, you want next. Okay, if you have understood print, print is the simplest keyword. Okay, next we're gonna go to this user input. Suppose you are playing a game, you have to give input, right? Yeah, same like that. When you are coding, your software needs the user's input. Okay, so you are taking this. Now, if I put input here, what does it will do? See, yeah, not this input is also keyword. There are total 35 keywords in Python. Remember it. Okay, input is a keyword. Okay, input. If I see, if I just remove, what did it do? I said print user input, right? It just printed this line. Earlier it just printed this line, enter your age. Now what, I use the input keyword. Now what does it do? See, input. I'm gonna have the ability to write it now. Okay, the user gets the chance to express his ideas or like that. Okay, yeah. Now we wanna go to next slide. It's not slide, but yeah, surely it's slide. We made a small, there's another function, another keyword. I'm gonna explain you now. Listen carefully. This is where the trickiest part comes, and some of you will not understand. Yeah, I'm gonna explain it very very good. Okay, listen it. It's saying, uh till now you got the idea, right? User equals int means integer. The value that input of user should be integer only. Yeah, see, there are total, I think there are total 4 to 7 databases. List, tuple, string means list, string means any name. Okay, name means any word. Like if you are taking a word, that is a string. That's why we enclose that in a bracket. This enter a number is a string. That's why we enclose it in a apostrophes. Okay, now what you're gonna enter becomes integer. Okay, if I don't write int here, then it will be in the string form only. So what does int make? Int make the number entered into an integer. If I see, if I enter the 12 here, it's just, it is taken as string by the computer. But when I put int here, it takes it as integer. Okay, yeah. Now see, what did we do? User int input. This input, what user have to enter. If means if is also keyword. If user, this, now user is taken as enter a number, means what the number entered by user is taken in the place of user. Suppose I'm gonna run the program, you wanna understand it. Yeah, yeah, 112 I'm gonna enter. You see what it do. First user input, I have entered the number. Next, if user is greater than 10, print lower number. Else, elif is also a keyword. If means we are saying, If you want to play football, come to this house. We are telling same to this only. If your user's number is greater than 10, tell him to print lower number. Print lower number. Yeah, we are telling the user to print lower number. See, if I say him, if you want to play football, come to my home. Elif, go to Rohan's home. Else, don't come for the football. Okay? Yeah, I think you have got the idea. See, if I just play print lower number, means if the user number is greater than 10, then it prints lower number. If user number is lesser than 10, lesser than 8, okay, sorry, greater, lesser than 8, right? If I say, let's take it as 0, greater number, it's saying print greater number. Now another time, else print correct number, means there are only two cases here. If the user can take more than 8 or less, greater than 10, sorry, less than 8, greater than 10, in between, that is the correct number. Okay, if I take 8, there is an error in the program. You wanna see, say, did I say the user, there's an error in the program, but don't mind it. I'm just explaining the basics. I'm gonna show you a game which doesn't have any errors, the small game. You can also make many games like this after learning basics. Yeah. Oh, I see. Elif user, yeah, 9 is also a correct number, 10 is also correct number, 8 is also correct number in this case. Okay, remember what did we say? If user number is greater than 10, print lower number. Yeah, I think you understand. It's same like English, but you have to uh, keep mind the indentions, means the print should come correctly in the line. See, if you are seeing this code, if user is greater than 10, and here the print is correctly aligned with just after the F. Okay, like this. See, if the F is here, then the print is aligned correctly here. Are you seeing? Yeah, so you have to maintain indentation. See, if I just there will be an indentation error. I will show you. I just yeah, see, no, I don't see indentation error. Indentation means the gap. Okay, the gap which you are giving should be correct. Now you want to move to next. I'm gonna show you something. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, we have made another program which doesn't have any bugs like that. Okay, see, we have written int input, enter a number. If I just enter 7, we have there should be only int right here. If you enter the 7, it will not take, as int means integer, right? Integer means numbers. If you wrote any word, it will not take. Okay, now we are gonna run again and we're gonna write a number now. 1 2. What does say? Now enter two numbers. Here it is asking two numbers, two inputs, right? Yeah, we're gonna enter another number, 25 or 26, greater than 100. You are understanding? If a into b is double, if you, another thing, if you want to say that if a minus b equals to 0, then print correct. No, you have to tell that if a minus b is double equals to 0. Okay, double equals, you need to put double equals to here. Remember that. Yeah, this is the program. You can also make many more like that. From just learning this three, you can make many more like that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some other programs. You wanna be just off. Next, I made like a quiz just by learning this much. I will show you. Wait. My bad, I'm not able to show. My bad. Yeah, not this one. Okay, I want to show you later. Now, if you're seeing this, till now we have completed our 60% basics. Okay, now we want to go through this one. There is a while. Yeah, while. Okay, I'm gonna explain while. Uh, I'm gonna explain while. First I'm gonna explain while loop and for I in range loop. For I in range I'm gonna explain it in last. So first we're gonna go with while. We have taken the count equals to 1, we have defined the count here. Now what is saying, while count is less than 6, understanding, while count is less than 6, print count. We have taken count as 1, then it, of course count will be less than 6, right? If we see, if I print it, count will be less than 1. If I, one second, if I remove this, now see, it will go on printing like this is the while loop. We are say this is a while loop. Okay, print count. Now if I add count equals to 1 plus count. So now see, to tell that the count equals to 1 plus count means, let's say first time we have taken count as 1, then second time it should be 2, 1 plus 1, 2, right? Yeah. What does this do means, this is also represented as like this, count equals to plus equals to 1. This another, it's not a keyword, but remember it. Okay, so if you want to, if I take this in a game scenario, if you want to calculate the points of the user, then we're gonna use this. Let's take, we're gonna define their score as 0, score equals to 0 there, and we're gonna same do here, score score plus or equals to 1. Plus or equals to 1 means score equals to score plus 1. It means like that. Okay, now we have taken count equals to 1. Now while count is less than 6, right, print count. जब तक, till when count will be less than 6, it gonna print count. See, it went infinity when we didn't have this one, right? If I have this, it will, yeah, I forgot to put this in this one. See, now it will take in the while loop. Okay, see, while loop is used to make loops. You know the loop is never ending, right? Yeah, same does while loop does. While is used to make loops. I'm gonna show you a game, an interesting game with while. Yeah, now understand. If I say while count is less than 6, print count. If you have taken 1, then even of course it will be less than 6, right? Yeah. Now we are saying count in the while loop section. We are saying count equals to count plus equals to 1. If you have taken count here 1, then next time it will be count equals to count plus 1. Means when the program comes to the part of here, when the program comes from here to here, then 1 will be added to the count. So now it will be 2, right? Yeah, now it will be 2, it printed. Now again it will come, now it will be 3, right? Yeah, because the count became 2 here, now it will be 3 and 3 is printed. Now the count became 3 here, here it became 3, now it comes down, and now here it becomes 4 because 1 is added to it. Now here 4 is printed. Now the count became 4 here, and here it will become 5. The count became 4 here, the count is printed, and now it will come here and it will become 5, 5 is printed, and we are telling it to print till when the count is less than 6, not equals to 6, so that it will not take the case of 6. Now next we're gonna move. uh, Random is a predefined library. Okay, remember that. This means it doesn't come under basics technically, but I'm gonna explain you. See, if I want to tell you, let's what did we do? Print welcome to my game, welcome to my guessing game, welcome to the guessing game. No, play input. Do you want to play my game? If I say dot lower is the function which lowers the case of the alphabet, means if the alphabet is, let's suppose it's plus, it's a, shift a, then it converts it to a. Okay, lowercase, it does all the lowercase. Means why we will do like that, because if a user enters like a name like this, n shift a m e, then it will take as error. So to avoid this, we're gonna do like that. We're gonna lower all the cases, and what we did say, if playing is equals to s, if playing, if we use this, means the iPhone, like this this mark is there, right? Like the mark, you understood, right? This mark I want to show you once. This mark is there, right? Yeah, this mark, see here, see this mark. So this mark is there, right? This marks helps us if playing is equals to, if playing not equals to s, but we are saying it, till now what we did do, we have taken like this, right? Double equals to means we are taking it equals to s. But if in this case, if we take playing double equals to s, then continue, we can do like that. But what if he prints no? Yeah, we have to end the game, right? Yeah, we have to end the game. So what we did do, if playing is not equals to s, quit. Quit is the function which quits the game. Okay, quit is the function which quits the game. Now what will you do? Yeah, yes, I'm gonna run the game again. Do you want to play my game? Yes. If I want to, I'm gonna put caps. Yes, caps. It's gonna take, yeah, see that, enter a number to set a range. Yeah, now we wanna come to top of range. We can make this top of range or any word you want. You can like b equals to input, enter a number to set the range, like that you can do. But I've just complicated it. That's my fault, I should have corrected before the video. Sorry, please forgive me. Yeah, input, enter a number to set the range. What I can put int input here, right? But if I put int input here, then if the player enters a word, then the program would end. Error would come. I don't want the error to come, but I want it to end smoothly. So what did I do? If top of range dot is a digit, I'm saying that if top of range dot is digit, if this word is a digit, means if this word is a digit, then top of range equals to int of top of range. Are you understanding? Top of range equals to a digit. Okay. Top of range equals to int top of range. Means if the input is a digit, okay, then this top of range is converted into a integer top of range. Into top of range means if this is a digit, then the number is converted into integer, right? Yeah, next, if top of range is suppose if we entered a number but it is a negative number, so what's use in the program of that, right? We want to set a range. We can't set a range from minus 1000 to plus 1000 we can set, but it becomes very complicated. We want the user to select from 0 to any number you want. Okay, what did I do? Top of range equals to int top of range, right? Yeah, now I made it into it. If top of range is less than or equals to 0, the programmer doesn't want him to also put 0, so print equals to enter a large number next time and quit the program. Okay, and else means if it is less than 0, if it is a digit, we have done like this. If it is a name, else print enter a number next time, quit. Are you understanding up? Yeah. No, random number, random number. We have taken another thing. We can take this as a b, a equals to like that. Now here, are we seeing this random dot rand range? This library's function is coming out here. Okay, we are using the library's function here. If we want to do like that, we have to code everything that is coded here. We are just using this. See, if I want to say, I coded something in a slide. Okay, to get a digit 0. Suppose to get a digit 0, I coded this much. I want to use that in my next program. I don't want to code all that which I've coded for the 0. What did I do? I made a library. Yeah, means I can't make the library. I can't make the library, but I'm just saying for your example. The person who has helped us is very great. What did I do? Yeah, I used that code and import random means imported that code here. I can use the functions of that code. Okay. Yeah, I hope you are understood now. Hmm, we have done all this, right? To go next. My bad. Yeah. Now you are seeing random equals to random. Yeah. What does this do? Random dot rand range 0 to top of range, right? From 0 to top of range, it can print anything. It can print anything. Okay. See, if I taken the top of range as 20, if I taken the top of range as 24, enter. If I taken the top of range as 24, if I taken the top of range as 24, enter a number. 1 second, array, my PC is lagging. 1 second. Sorry for the interruption by me. Yeah. 0 to top of range, it can print any number. Rand range, random, it can print. I'm giving the computer the order to print any number she want. Score is same. We have used the last one, count. Same, we are using the score here. So we have taken the score equals 0 now. Yes, and score same like the score 1 equals to score plus 1. Okay, no, I can do this as a equals to score plus 1 like that also, but I'm going to do score 1 equals score plus 1. While true. While true means we are creating a loop. If I show you while true here, while true, yeah, while true, print 3. Now see, it's slow. Sorry, my bad. It goes on printing 3 like that because while true, I'm creating a loop. While true is a loop. Okay, remember that. If you write while true, then you're opening a loop. While true is a loop. That's it. Like uh, you can understand it. Yeah, I hope you understand that. While true is a loop, you're creating a loop now in this slide, right? I hope not this, not this, not this. Yeah, this one. You have still while true, guess a number equals to input. We are asking to make a guess. Okay, here we have taken a guesser number and asking him to make a guess. Yes, I'm wrote yes, I want to play you a game, but I've done spelling mistake. Yes, I want to play you a game. I'm gonna enter 120. Make a guess. 56. You got it wrong. Try to go up. What would you do? Guesser number equals to input. We have taken in the while loop only. Guesser number equals to input. Make a guess. If guesser number dot is a digit, same we are doing how did we do here? We are doing the same thing here. If guess a number, if you enter right, wrong, any like that word, then we can't play a game with him, right? Yeah, so we have just done what we have done here. I'm gonna but explain you. Guess number goes to int guess number. If it is a digit, we have taken as integer. Then else print. Please type a number next time and continue. What does this continue do? Continues the while loop. Okay, it just continues the while loop. Means if we please type a number, if else please type a number next time. So this what does this continue do? It is also a keyword, remember it. It will take this, go to again top. If you see, I'm gonna show you practical, it will make your understanding very good. Play a game. Yes, I'm gonna play a game. My fucking patience is losing. Yes. Enter a number to set the range. One enter 120. Next, make a guess. 23. Try to go down, make a guess. 45. No, like that. So if I want to enter wrong, I entered wrong. What did it do? Make a guess again. It's taking the code to up. It's taking the code from here to here. There's a small bug, I'm gonna correct it later. But see, if I entered a number here, it's taking the code again to the start. Okay. If guesser number is double equals to random number, print you got it break. Break means it breaks the loop. It breaks the loop. Breaks the loop and gives us the score. Okay. It will break the loop. The loop breaks here and we're gonna go to this one. Score equals print equals to got it in this amount of guess. See. Run. Okay. I'm gonna enter the small number 3. Okay, sorry, this one. Yes, play, enter 3. Next, guess a number 2, 3. No, you got it wrong. Try to go down. It's staying to go down. I'm gonna go down. Try to go down. 1, I think. Please be 1. No, it's saying 0. The answer. Yeah, you got it in 4 guesses. See? Yeah. Are you understanding? What will you do? Print equals to you got it in. Plus, what we did to now? See. I'm gonna explain it clearly. String is also a database. Uh, it same works like int. Now score 2 is a digit, right? Say score 2 is a digit. Score 2 equals to score plus score 1. What is score 1? This score here, yeah, and score 1 is score plus 1. Score 1 equals to score plus 1. We have placed it here. You are seeing it right. Now your guesser, you got it. Yeah, score 1 equals score plus 1. The guess which he made is correct. We are also counting that into the score. To do like that, I have taken another defined term score 1 for here. Okay. Now score 2 equals to score plus score 1, right? Yeah, if he got it, that also we are taking into the consideration or into his score, right? Yeah. No. Score 2 equals to score plus score 1. Score is everything that he misguessed. Score score is everything that he guessed wrong. Okay. Now print you got it in the string. It converts the integer into the string. So if I say now, see, I'm gonna show you. If there is Tim plus 1, it can't be like that, right? Because this one is string and this is integer, they can't add. So what we did do, Now if they are in this form, Tim plus, now the number is in the string form, so now they can both add to becomes Tim1, like that. Okay, that's what it does. With this your basics are fully completed, and it is more advanced for 10th class also.